Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the app of, not here, to the app of Duolingo and you click here. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.